Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to compare Zelle versus Venmo. First, let's start with the differences. So the main difference between them is the cash balance. Venmo has a virtual wallet, meaning you can hold some funds in your Venmo balance. You can fund your Venmo wallet using a linked bank account. You can also link a debit card to Venmo and use it to fund your account. In contrast, Zelle only lets you send and receive money. You cannot hold a balance in your Zelle account. Zelle transfers your payment directly from your bank account to your recipient's bank account. Therefore, Venmo is convenient for storing money in a digital wallet fees. Sending and receiving money through Zelle is free. However, some banks might charge you a transaction fee for Zelle payments. With Venmo, you have to pay some fees for certain transactions. For instance, you must pay a $1.75 transaction fee if you want an instant transfer. Venmo charges 3%. If you use your credit card to send money, the digital wallet also charges a 1% fee for depositing government checks and paychecks and 5% for depositing privately issued checks. Please know that these are the current terms and they may change in the future. Zelle is hence cheaper if you want to make quick transfer duration. Zelle payment are processed within minutes. On the other hand, Venmo transaction can take between 1 to 3 business days to be completed. As we discussed earlier, you must pay 1.75% of the total amount to make instant transfers with Venmo. Zelle is therefore more reliable for swift transfers to your loved ones, but do they have any similarities? Yes. Both services are secure ways of sending money to familiar businesses and people online. You can also link your credit and debit card to Zelle and Venmo. So to sum up, which is better, Zelle or Venmo? I like that I can store some funds in my Venmo account. It makes online shopping very easy since most retailers accept Venmo. Having said that, Venmo fees are a bit expensive. Zelle makes up for that with free transactions. Although you cannot store money with Zelle, the instant transfers are great, especially for parents with kids, so both services are reliable. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.